Here I have a rectangle that I've drawn with my shape builder tool, and I've given it a green fill. Now if I were to apply a pattern that I've created, you can see my rectangle shape is filled with my pattern. What I want you to do now to change the scale here, we need to have our swatch panel out. So I'm going to click on the swatch panel icon here and pull my swatch panel out. If you ever want to know which one of your swatches is the pattern you have filled in a particular shape, all you need to do is grab your selection tool and click on that shape, and you will see in your swatch panel the swatch that has been used for that shape. You'll see a little white glowing outline around this swatch. So you see this shape, it has this pattern, and if I were to draw another swatch sized shape for my mood board, you'll see that I cannot see my motifs repeating 3 times within the swatch. To get this to repeat 3 times, we need to scale it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my selection tool, click on the swatch again just to make sure the swatch panel shows me which swatch that I have used. I'm going to double click on this swatch to bring my pattern editor, and I can use any one of these tools to edit my pattern. I'm going to grab my selection tool and I'm going to draw a selection box around everything within this blue area of repeat. So I have my background color and my 3 motifs. Now I can grab these transformation handles and I can resize my pattern. Of course, I want to constrain my proportions, so I'm going to hold my shift key down and I'm going to make this smaller. Now I have this option right here called Size Tile to Art selected, so everything changed at the same time. Let me go back one step and I'll show you what happens if Size Tile to Art is not on, and I go through and change the size here holding my shift key. I get this white space. If you're seeing that, you failed to click on the Size Tile to Art, so I'm going to make sure this is toggled. I'm going to draw a capture box around everything, my background color and my 3 motifs, hold my shift key down and resize my pattern. Now when I hit done right here, you'll notice that my pattern has been resized and I can see my motifs almost repeating 3 times. Let's do that one more time. Double click on the swatch, drag this box around this blue square, make sure Size Tile to Art is on, hold my shift key down, and I'm going to shrink that even more. Hit done when you are done, and you will see your pattern has been resized.